Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to move the taskbar in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu of the Windows. You can do this by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom. From the menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. From the menu that appears, click on Personalize. This will open the Windows Settings app in the Personalization section. In the list on the left side, find and click on the taskbar. This will show all the taskbar settings. Scroll down and look for the section called Taskbar Behaviors. Click on it to expand the options. Here you will see a setting named Taskbar Alignment. By default, it is set to center. Click on the drop-down menu and select Left if you want the icons to start from the left side, similar to older versions of Windows. You will see the change happen right away. By using the normal settings, you can change the alignment on the taskbar in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.